Okay, so I was really surprised at how fast and easy it is to make these. I thought it'd be a lot harder for some reason. Okay, so first just put in a bowl 2/3 of tapioca flour, a 1/4 cup of pre-cooked cornmeal, 1 cup of queso fresco or Colombian queso, a cup and a 1/4 of feta cheese. I personally put the 1 cup feta and the 1/4 mozzarella because I don't like feta like that, but that's okay. You can be creative. Anyways, we quickly mix that up and add a room temperature egg too, and that's it. So at this point, I realized this just wasn't it. So I just began to use my hands to finish mixing. So just use whatever seems easiest to you. I would recommend, if you have a big enough blender or processor, to just throw this all in there and turn it on. Now you should have this nice even ball. This is when you preheat the oven to 400. Here you have 2 options, bigger balls on parchment paper or use a muffin pan like this. You might want to butter it up like I am. This recipe is going to yield you 20-ish bite-sized pieces or maybe 6 larger ones. Now roll them up and make sure you pat them down a little bit to give them that classic shape. You can make them as big as you want them or as small. I like bite-sized ones, but you can also plop a couple larger balls on a piece of parchment paper and they'll come out real official. Like I said, pat them down and put them in the hot oven for like 15 minutes, no more. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Easy homemade pan de bonos in what, 20 minutes? So quick to make and everyone's gonna want a ton more. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more easy and delicious recipes. I would greatly appreciate it, and much love.